Hello traders, if you are new to trading, this is gonna be the most valuable video you're going to watch today. My name is Peter. I'm a Forex trader with 3 years of experience, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 tips to fast track your learning period so that you can start making money as soon as possible. If you look at all successful Forex traders, they all started as a newbie and now they are making so much money in trading. And in this video I'm going to teach you how you can achieve same success. Tip number 1, do not tell anybody that you trade. You need to figure out this trading before you start telling people that you trade. I know trading can be exciting, but it is a personal journey full of ups and downs. Sharing your trading activities can lead to unwanted opinions and pressure. Like some people will tell you that you will never make money from trading. Some say get a real job, that trading is not a real job. Some will be looking for evidence to see the money you said you're making, and some will even go further to bill you. And all these negative opinions are going to mess with your mind and even make you to start wanting to quit trading even before you start. Me personally, I experienced the same thing while starting trading, and that's why I'm telling you to avoid all this. People cannot destroy what they don't know or understand. Keep your trading private, stay focused, and avoid unnecessary noise. A time will come when your result will speak for itself. So guys, I usually host free webinars first of every month. I normally share my experience and how you can get better trading. If you are interested, click on the link below to join. Drop your email so that I can send you a link when it's time. So without any further ado, let's jump in. Tip number 2, think long term. Trading is not about getting rich quick. Successful traders understand the value of patience and planning. I know this video title or description might promise you cheat codes or how to fast track your success, but the real truth is accepting that this is going to take a while. Setting a realistic expectation that trading is going to take you time to figure out even makes you to achieve success in trading faster. When I came into trading, I thought that I'm going to start making money from my first month to 6 months, but it took me more than that. I know it takes some people 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, even 5 years, and everyone's journey is not the same. It might take you more or less. So focus on building a sustainable strategy or systems that will yield results over time. Tip number 3, develop your strategy and stick to it. Find what works for you through research and practice. For example, if you are the type of trader that likes to close your trades early, you are likely to gravitate to scalping and day trading strategies. In the other hand, if you are the type of trader that like to hold your trades longer, you are likely to gravitate to day trading and swing trading. So you should be looking forward at swing trading strategies. Once you have developed your strategy, stop looking for other strategies. Tip number 4, backtest more. Backtesting in trading is testing a strategy or market data to see how well it might work. It helps to predict future performance. It is not always reliable, but it will give you an edge of your trading strategy. For instance, you need to practice more. You need to practice your strategy more to give you an edge. Just open your chart, just start looking at the candlestick, start looking at the chart patterns, everything you have learned, start practicing it, put more time. The difference why it takes some people so much time to learn and it takes some people few months or few years to learn is because of the time they put into the chart. Study the chart for yourself, study the chart very well, and you're going to come out balling. Before you start risking your real money, test your strategy with historical data. This helps you to understand how your strategy performs in different market conditions. It gives you confidence in your approach. Tip number 5, start with real money. Why demo accounts are great for learning? Start with the smallest amount of money your broker can allow you to deposit on your trading account. Trading real money will teach you the emotional aspect of trading, which is what you need to learn to become a better trader. Demo trading is not going to give you that. The real market experience is very valuable. So guys, in conclusion, do not tell anybody that you trade. Develop your trading strategy and stick to it. Backtest more, because the more you backtest, the more better you become. Think long term, and finally, deposit your account with real money, because you need that emotional roller coaster to actually make you a better trader. Okay, so guys, there's a link below. Join my free Telegram group where I share my trades and educational content. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like it so that the video can be pushed out to more people that will need value from this video. And lastly, there's a link below this video if you want to develop your risk management, if you want to be very good in risk management, because risk management is one of the crucial aspects of trading. If you want to get better at risk management, I created an ebook in which you can read to understand in depth of how to create your own personal risk management depending on your account. The link is on the description below also. Make sure you check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.